Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Buy one of these or see what other goodies they have to offer. And they'll ship this out to you really fast. Definitely take advantage of the Prime's fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this one out to you. Oh boy. Alright. We have here, this AirPod case, the KMMIN waterproof AirPods case cover for Apple AirPods 1 and 2 wireless charging case, premium silicone protection. Ooh, baby. So here we go, waterproof protective case for AirPods. So I'll leave the links down below. You can check them out. So actually, that's gonna be, yeah, I'll just do two videos in one. Alright. Box 1. Boom. Oh, this is nice. I like this. We got the belt clip. Oh, this is cool. This is definitely a nice color. Easy to fit. Gotta squeeze it in. So it's like that inside. Right here is a USB. Plug that through. Nice colors, though, for sure. Nice colors. Where are my AirPods? Let's see. I have to take these things off. Hold on 1 second, guys. Bear with me. Bada boom. Oh yeah, perfect fit. You guys can see it flashing. See? That's my AirPod. And all you gotta do is plug it in, the USB right there. Charge them up. Say if you're on a boat all day, fishing, jet skiing, toboggan, whatever you guys do, goes like that. Then you can hook it up to your clip right here. Really cool. I'm liking this one. I think these are different. Yeah, I'm gonna do a separate video for each one. Something like that. Just clip your stuff. School bag. Have it hanging. Whoops. Gotta close it now. Come on. So definitely check these guys out, YouTube. There you go. Really cool. Anyone going camping, this would be perfect for. Boom. Close that up. Waterproof. Once you get it sealed, there we go. Look at that. I like the green. Really nice colors. Cool. So yes, definitely check them out. KMMIN waterproof protective case for AirPods Pro. You guys have a good day. Be safe and see you guys soon. Pretty much, I think I covered everything. So really cool. And what else am I? Oops. Nothing in there. I think I got everything. Premium silicone. tell. Really cool. Fits them perfect, guys. Get it before they're gone. Summertime is coming. This will be perfect to take on the boats with you guys. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.